Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Spotify account. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So what we're going to do is open a new window in our desktop and we're going to go on to Spotify. We're going to come over to the top right hand side, click on the logo here, and then we're going to press on to account. So what we're going to do is you might have support appear up at the top here, or because I am sharing with my family, you can come on to edit profile and sometimes the support button will also appear here at the top for you instead. If not, if it isn't showing on either of those for you, what you can do is head on back, scroll down to the bottom, and then as you can see, we've got this help section here, and then you can click on this Spotify support button. What that is then going to do is open up a new window for us, and we've got our search bar here. So we're going to type in closing account. So we're just going to give that a type. And as you can see, what comes up is closing your account and deleting your data. So we're just going to give that a click. And then we have got a couple of different options here. So if you've got premium, then you're going to need to click this link here. If you don't have premium, if you scroll down, you have got a link to click here. So as I do have premium, I'm going to click on this top link and it's just going to take me through to this next window. So as you can see, we've got this green button to press here, which says close my account and delete my data. So it's obviously worth knowing that if you do press on this button, all of your data will be lost, including any playlists that you've created and followers that you've got. It will all be deleted. As you can see, we've got this little note under here that says, after you close your account, we will email you a link which you can use to reactivate it within 7 days. After those 7 days, your account cannot be reactivated and the process to delete your data will be initiated. You can always create a new one. So if you do change your mind and within those 7 days, then as the little note says, you can click on that button in the email and then you can reactivate your account and all of your playlists and everything will all be there for you. If you change your mind after the 7 days, then you're going to have to go and create a new account. So what you want to do is you want to click on this button that says close my account and delete my data. And that's going to go ahead and do that for you. And that's it, guys. That is a nice, super quick and easy video on how to delete your Spotify account. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one.